Alright, this is probably gonna be one of the first videos I'll be dropping for. I'm about to begin a series where I trade 5k accounts, or not just necessarily 5k accounts, but different programs. There's an approach I'll be taking, there's a journey I'll be going through. I want to take you guys along with it because I know sit down and talk videos are they're very very educative, but showing a little bit of skin in the game and showing the journey out there. I'm a break-even trader, I'm a swing trader. I'm not consistently profitable. First of all, I'm a swing trader, I'm not consistently profitable. I'm a break-even trader. Take you guys along with me through the whole journey of being break-even to consistently profitable. I never said break-even to profitable, break-even to consistently profitable. You're going through this journey of trying to figure out trading. You're probably in your second year, third year, and trading isn't still clicking. You're not losing as much, you're not winning as much. Your losses are little, your wins are not. You're not showing for your losses. I'm going to take you along through this journey of how I'll be going through buying prop firms and trading them and questing payouts and growing from there. There's an approach I'll be taking, which I will show you guys here. The approach of the prop firms I'll be trading, I'll be taking them very very effectively. And there's a way you're supposed to trade prop firms. Let me get right to it. I'll also show the prop I'll be taking, the prop I'll be trading it with, and the rules and different criteria behind the prop. Remember, I said I'm a swing trader, so I have to be very very decisive and precise on the prop firm I take. I can't just go out and trade any other prop firms. So let's get to it. Don't mind my broken board. For the approach for this prop I'll be trading it in a very very fast and effective way. I don't want to spend too much time. I don't want to spend too much time trying to figure it out, because skin in the game requires some payout and get out, and take you guys along the journey and how you guys can also trade effectively with prop firms. The way you trade prop firms are different from the way you trade a broker. So these rules, and they tell us you're supposed to trade it. They give you a drawdown limit. They give you trade it 1%, 0.5%. So if I'm being honest, you spend too much time on it. The game is rigged. There are rules behind it, so you need to play with the game, play with the system. You understand the system, then play with the system. Once you play with the system, then you make your for the prop challenge. I've not figured out the name yet, but for the prop challenge, it's gonna be very very easy and I don't want to make it too informative and too trading needs to be simple, so I'm going to make it as simple as possible. So what I'll be doing is this. For the prop account, I'll be starting with the 5k challenge. And the 5k challenge I'll be starting with is, we have different props out there, but right now the one I can sit with, we have reputable prop firms. We have FTMO, we have Alpha Capital, we have different firms. But remember, I'm a swing trader and I need something. I need a prop that can allow me hold trades over the weekend, trade during the news, hold for several months. And I'm going to be sticking with 3 prop firms. And I'm not pushing this out there for you to trade with them, but based on everything I'm showing here is what I've dealt with. So I've traded on one, Maven Prop, Equity Edge, Maven Prop and Equity Edge. These 2 prop firms are very reputable and they are cheap. I know you're not supposed to trade cheap prop firms, but we're taking advantage of these cheap prop firms. That's why I said the way you trade it is different from the way you trade a broker. So I'm going to take it very very quick, very fast, and just execute. I'll be starting with the 5k account. 5k account where we have phase 1 and phase 2. My risk will be 2% risk. 2% risk throughout the whole trading phase of the account, the phase 1 and the phase 2. Then once we get to the funded, I'll be using 1%, regardless of how many losses I get. If I have 5 losses in a row, I'm not reducing to 0.5. I'm going to be taking 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. So 2% till I pass the phase 1, 2% till I pass the phase 2. And I think the target for phase 1 should be 8%, and the target for phase 2 to be 4%. So in 2 trades I can pass this, in 1 trade I can pass this, in 2 trades I can be in drawdown. To come out of this drawdown, I only need about a trade or 2 to get out of this drawdown. I'm not going to rely on just one prop firm. That's why I said I'm going to make it work. Share my screen and show you Equity Edge platform to just make you guys also see it and know that okay, it's a real firm and they've paid out multiple traders. I'm going to also get another 5k account. It's gonna go like this. If it's one 5k account and another 5k account, I will be trading this. If I pass this to phase 1, this second one, I will pick it up and start trading it. The phase 1. Remember, I passed this phase 1, then I'm in the phase 2. Let's say I pass it, then I'm in phase 2. I won't trade the phase 2 yet. The whole point of this is just to, because trading one prop firm can make your mind clouded and you not see the right thing. We're doing it as 2. Do you understand? 2 prop firms together. We're going to be revolving around 2 prop firms. We're going to make it very, very efficient so that you can make payouts and you're not bent on trading just one. Same risk each on the phase 1 and phase 2. Once the phase 1 is passed, then we have the phase 2. For the phase 2, we don't trade it yet. We buy another one. So we start trading that one. The same thing, 2% risk. For this particular one, once we pass the phase 1, then we know we're already in the phase 2. And we know we're already in the phase 2. What we're going to do is this. Now we have 2 phase 2s. Now that we have 2 phase 2s, I will go back to that first one I bought, this first account. Then I will trade the phase 2. Worst case scenario, I fail at phase 2. Worst case scenario, I fail at phase 2. You remember I already passed the phase 1, then I have the phase 2. So now what I'm going to do is this. I will go back and buy another account. What you need to understand is this. We need to have a phase 2 where we can fall back to keep our mindset in check. To keep it in check, because if I pass phase 1 and I pass phase 1, then I didn't buy this other account, and I traded phase 2 and I failed. It will feel like you're starting from the beginning. Do you understand? So you don't want to keep yourself in that mindset of thinking you're starting from the beginning. Just think of it as a process. So I passed phase 1, worst case scenario, I fail phase 2. Remember, I already passed phase 1 on the second account. I already have another phase 2 here. Once I pass the third prop firm, which is phase 1, now I'm already in phase 2. So now that I'm already in phase 2, I will go back to that second account I passed. I go back to the second account I passed. What I'll be doing is this. I will go to the phase 2, then I try to pass the phase 2. Once I pass the phase 2, now remember the third account, I already have phase 2 loading. So once I pass this, I will go back again and do what? Buy another 5k. So now I already have 1 funded. Once I have 1 funded, I'll just be trading 1% on this. Any good setup I see, I will trade 1%, regardless of if I'm 5% in drawdown or 10% in drawdown. I think the maximum drawdown. Alright, so apparently my phone went off. It's all about revolving with the prop firm and making payout, and just having a backup of 2 phase 2's account, 2 phase 2 account. Then I trade 1. If I pass 1, I'm in the funded stage. Then I trade 1% and I request a payout, 2% to 3% minimum payout. Then I reshuffle, just like that. Worst case scenario, I fail phase 2, I have another phase 2, then I buy phase 1. Worst case scenario, I fail that new account I'm buying, I just buy another one, until I have 2 phase 2s, then I can trade 1 comfortably. Then if I pass 1, it is funded. So I'm going to scale up like that. Alright, I'll be sharing my screen and I'll be showing you what exactly the platform is gonna look like and the rules they have in place, just to take you guys along with the journey. I'm not promoting anything. I don't think I should be promoting anything right now. But I'm just gonna show you the platform and I'll show you how it is. Just to make you guys understand, I've traded with Equity Edge before, and it was like a testing phase where I didn't pass the challenge, but I understood that their platform is good for swing trading. I've tried other prop firms too. I won't be speaking about them yet, but this prop firm is good. So this is the platform. This is the Equity Edge platform, where I want to show their rules to make you understand that. So we have a 2.5k account, we have a 5k, and we have a 10k. So I'll be sticking with the 5k, and the 5k is going to be a Swift account, MT5 and 2-step. Then the leverage is 1 to 30, swing trading, good. Daily loss is 4%, max loss is 80%, minimum trading days 2, profit target 8, profit target 5. That means the phase 2 is 5% and the phase 1 is 80%. Profit share of 80%, starting balance 5. You can trade any assets. I can hold over the weekend and I can buy now. And I think a promo is currently going on where you can buy it half the price and also get an instant account. But I'm just going to show this. This is a 5k account. Then this is what it looks like. Okay, now this is the first account I bought, a 2.5k. I didn't pass this at phase 1, but so this is the account I'll be trading with right now. This is it. The stage 1 is in progress, and this is what the account looks like. Currently we're up 1%. This is equity. This is not, the trade are not closed yet. This is equity, but this is what the balance looks like. We've gone through 5 trades already. Win rate 100%. The profit target is going to be around 400. Then I'm up 1%, so I still have about 7% I think to go. Then the max loss is 8%. This is the account is going to be going at 4,600. Then daily loss of 4%. Then profit target, and daily minimum trading days is 2 days. So this is what the equity looks like. I remember we're not focused on the equity, we're not focused on it. We're just going to trade this properly, quick and fast, not spending too much time. So these are the trades I've taken: CAD, USD, CHF trade pairs. Commissions are very they're little, they're not so much. The fact that I swing trade, expecting some kind of commission, see, they're not swap fees, nothing like that. Is proper. So trading, this prop firm is good. Also with Maven, but I won't talk about Maven today. I have an account with Maven, but I won't be speaking about Maven. I'm just gonna focus on equity today. So this is basically what it looks like. And this is the approach. Same approach I'll be taking. These are the trades that I currently have running. These are swing positions, currently in profit. These are the positions I have running. I have some positions I will play out for this new week, but that's what it's gonna be like. So for my account, that is what the prop challenge is gonna look like, and that is the journey I want to take you guys along with. If you like this kind of content, just like, subscribe, and just follow me along through this journey, because I just want to put this out there, not necessarily to track a particular type of people, but I just want to put this out there and just document it online and try to grow some kind of presence online and take you guys along with my journey to show that, okay, it's possible. So break-even trader to consistently profitable trader, and I'm a swing trader. So let's see how this goes. Cheers.